Seed program is a program that teaches all those who partake in it great leadership skills, teaches tool usage and how to take care of your environment, and so much more. And that's why I keep coming back.
To me, Seed Skills Crew is an opportunity for kids to get together and learn and hang out with friends and get to actually get their hands in the dirt, which I think not enough people know how to do today, and I think that's a really special skill that we get to learn.
I mean, like, seed to me is an opportunity that I could actually help people.
Seed is where you go out to have fun with people your age. You give back to the community and learn skills that can help us out in the real world.
What I love about Chalice is the people are really awesome here, and it's just seeing a bunch of new faces, and it helps with your networking skills, and just everything in general here is helping you to be a better person than you could be without it. And we also have super fun activities.
I love how we can give back from what we're going to the people, giving them the healthy foods that the world needs right now is a really good opportunity to promote better health.
Join us in making a lasting impact on young lives and their communities. Each gift of $500 can transform a single summer into a life-changing journey for a Seed Skills participant. With your support, we can empower these young minds, offering them the opportunity to learn, earn, and grow. Donate today and be the catalyst for a positive transformation.